You're giving me Johnny Depp vibes, Johnny Depp?
Good morning, guys. It's 8 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go to school. We're gonna have a presentation today. We're gonna be presenting monologues in the theater, and we've been preparing for that for about 2 weeks, and it should be good. But I couldn't sleep last night that well because when you have something that you're nervous about, there's like this anxiety that doesn't allow you to sleep very well. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna probably prepare some kind of breakfast and then lunch maybe, because I don't want to eat out anywhere. And yeah, I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna wear, and then I'm gonna show you what it's gonna be like there at the theater, because it's kind of a big deal. I need to look nice, so I need to find out something in my wardrobe. So yeah, I'll show you around and see you there. I should never forget to take the vitamin D because, can't get from food. Yay, I love my makeup. What am I gonna wear? Or something like that. Maybe this dress. It's a bit like sexy, but I could just like wear a blazer over it. I think I'm gonna go with this with the blazer, just because it's got like a lengthier this thing too. Может быть, вот этот пиджак. Но я бы хотела чуть помолодежнее, либо вот этот костюмчик. Тоже неплохо было бы одеть. Сейчас я его спарю. выглядит мое платье. Мне кажется, я могу сверху надеть рубашку даже. Потом пиджак надеть. Или просто рубашку. Может быть, как-то kinda, I don't know. Просто мне кажется, в пиджаке я буду немножко скована. Надо быть немножко раскованной. I like that. Короче, или пиджак, ну попробуй без рубашки. Все-таки. Мне бы не хотелось, чтобы у меня там все было видно. Конечно. Или так. I just packed my lunch. And I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go to classes. I'm gonna grab coffee first, and then we're gonna perform.
I want to run through it once.
We got some smoothies, some food. We have a break, and we're gonna rehearse. Well, no, we're not gonna rehearse. We're gonna film TikTok videos. Cheers! Cheers!
I know it's true.
Somebody's really singing. No, somebody's really singing.
Can I eat?
You have time.
I think I'll show up at 2:58. Yeah, you're giving me Johnny Depp vibes, you know.
Вот как люди протестуют в Америке. Sometimes. Просто стоят знаками.
Got a ski bar, by the way.